Best running shoes. Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video we will look at some of the best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4. The New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 stands out as a remarkably stable running shoe, making it an excellent choice for runners who want strong ground contact without giving up speed or versatility. In lab testing, it earned solid scores across multiple categories, including 5.3 for marathon racing, 7.2 for 5K per 10K efforts, and 5.9 for both energy return and cushioning. One of its biggest strengths is lateral stability, scoring an impressive 8.7, thanks to its very wide base and relatively low stack height. This design helps keep runners balanced and controlled, especially when fatigue sets in and form begins to suffer. Weighing just 214.7 grams, 7.57 ounces, with a 7.3 mm heel-to-toe drop, the Rebel V4 feels light and nimble underfoot. While it does not include a plate or traditional stability elements, its geometry naturally delivers dependable support. The FuelCell midsole provides decent cushioning and a noticeable bounce, creating a responsive yet stable ride that works well for daily training and faster-paced runs alike. For runners who need more active guidance, the ASICS Gel Kayano 32 is a better fit. This shoe is specifically designed to address overpronation, using a structured build and foam-based support components that help guide the foot back into alignment. However, this added support increases weight and reduces responsiveness compared to the Rebel V4. That said, even excellent stability has limits. For longer distances or maximum protection, a higher stack option like the ASICS Superblast 5 offers more cushioning and comfort over extended efforts, making it better suited for long runs and recovery days. Number 2. ASICS Superblast 2. The ASICS Superblast 2 is an excellent choice for runners looking for a maximalist daily trainer that excels over long distances. In testing, it delivers strong performance across key categories, earning 7.4 for marathon racing, 6.1 for 5K per 10K efforts, and 7.4 for energy return. Cushioning is one of its biggest strengths, scoring an impressive 8.7, while lateral stability remains solid at 7.1, giving runners confidence on tired legs. Weighing 247.5 grams, 8.73 ounces, with a 9.1 mm heel-to-toe drop, the Superblast 2 strikes a smart balance between protection and efficiency. Its standout feature is the dual-layer midsole, which combines a soft, plush foam on top for comfort with a firmer, more supportive layer underneath for stability and responsiveness. This construction helps absorb impact during long runs while still providing enough pop to keep transitions smooth and controlled. The shoe also features a stiffer rocker compared to the ASICS Superblast 5, allowing for easier toe-offs and a more fluid stride over extended distances. While the Superblast 2 isn't quite as soft as the Mizuno Neo Vista 2, it compensates by being lighter and more agile, making it easier on the legs during marathon training and long runs. Compared to a race-focused shoe like the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4, the Superblast 2 clearly prioritizes comfort, durability, and stability. The Adidas option offers higher energy return and lighter weight for race day, but sacrifices some long-term comfort. Overall, the ASICS Superblast 2 is a dependable, protective trainer built to keep runners feeling fresh mile after mile. Number 3. Mizuno Neo Vista 2. The Mizuno Neo Vista 2 is a true standout for runners who prioritize maximum cushioning and long-distance comfort. In performance testing, it earned a 7.2 score for marathon racing and 6.6 for 5K per 10K efforts, reflecting its strength as a distance-focused trainer rather than a speed-first shoe. With an impressive 9.1 cushioning score, this model delivers exceptional impact protection, while lateral stability remains respectable at 6.9. Energy return is more moderate at 5.7, reinforcing its role as a comfort-oriented option. Weighing 263.4 grams, 9.29 ounces, and featuring a 9.8 mm heel-to-toe drop, the Neo Vista 2 uses an ultra-high stack midsole built from two distinct foam layers, reinforced by a plastic plate. This construction creates a soft, pillowy ride that absorbs shock extremely well, making it ideal for long runs, recovery days, and runners who want to reduce stress on their joints. Despite its towering stack height, the shoe feels lighter than expected on foot, maintaining a smooth and controlled ride over many miles. That said, the Neo Vista 2 does have some fit considerations. It runs noticeably long, and the upper feels quite loose, so many runners may want to size down for a more secure fit. For runners seeking a similarly cushioned shoe with a more energetic and speed-friendly feel, a Hoka Mach X2 is a compelling alternative. Its plated Super Trainer design makes faster workouts easier and more responsive. Ultimately, the Mizuno Neo Vista 2 excels at easy and long-distance running, while the Hoka is better suited for those who want to mix comfort with speed. Number 4. Adidas Adizero Evo SL. The Mizuno Neo Vista 2 is designed for runners who want maximum cushioning and protection across any distance. In testing, it scored 7.2 for marathon racing and 6.6 for 5K per 10K efforts, reflecting its strength as a comfort-oriented, long-distance trainer rather than a speed-focused shoe. It excels in cushioning, earning an impressive 9.1, while lateral stability is solid at 6.9. Energy return is moderate at 5.7, highlighting the shoe's emphasis on soft, forgiving support rather than explosive responsiveness. Weighing 263.4 grams, 9.29 ounces, with a 9.8 mm heel-to-toe drop, the Neo Vista 2 features a high-stack midsole constructed from 2 layers of foam, stabilized by a plastic plate. This combination produces a plush, protective ride that feels surprisingly lightweight despite its towering stack height. The shoe is ideal for long runs, recovery days, or anyone looking to reduce stress on the joints while maintaining smooth stride transitions. One fit consideration: the Neo Vista 2 tends to run long, and its upper is quite loose, so sizing down may provide a more secure, comfortable fit. For runners seeking a max cushion shoe that can also handle faster sessions, the Hoka Mach X2 is a strong alternative. As a plated super trainer, it delivers plush comfort like the Mizuno but adds greater responsiveness, allowing runners to pick up the pace without feeling sluggish. Overall, the Neo Vista 2 is best for easy and long-distance training, while the Hoka Mach X2 suits runners who want a balance of cushioning and speed for more dynamic workouts. Number 5. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4. The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4 is widely regarded as one of the best running shoes for racing, offering an exceptional balance of cushioning, responsiveness, and energy return. In testing, it scored 8.7 for marathon racing and 8.6 for 5K per 10K efforts, demonstrating its versatility across distances. With an energy return of 8.8, solid cushioning at 8.0, and lateral stability of 7.4, it provides a ride that is both bouncy and controlled, allowing runners to maintain speed and efficiency even in the final miles of a marathon. Weighing just 197.5 grams, 6.97 ounces, with a 7.0 mm heel-to-toe drop, the Adios Pro 4 feels light and responsive. Its carbon fiber rods embedded in the midsole amplify propulsion, giving each stride an extra boost without overly straining the legs. For shorter races or runners seeking a more nimble, closer to the ground feel, the Nike Vaporfly 4 is an excellent alternative. It delivers a firm, direct ride with a snappy toe-off, ideal for 5 Burmese shots, 10 Burmese shots, and even half marathons. Its lower stack height enhances ground feel and responsiveness, making every stride feel quick and efficient. However, its lighter cushioning and reduced protection mean it can feel harsher during full marathons, giving the Adios Pro the edge for longer distances. As with most super shoes, both models prioritize speed and performance over long-term durability and stability. The Adios Pro 4 shines on full-distance race days, combining plush midsole cushioning with advanced carbon energy rods, while the Vaporfly 4 excels for shorter, faster efforts where quick turnover and efficiency are key.